The Cyclysio Gaming Desk offers a practical solution with its integrated hutch, providing ample space to organize books, speakers, and decorative items, ensuring a clean and tidy workspace. This desk is designed with reversible 5-tier storage shelves, allowing flexibility in placing essential items like gaming consoles, plants, and files according to your preference. Equipped with over 60,000 colors of LED lights and power outlets, this desk enhances the gaming experience with its vibrant lighting and convenient charging options. The compact and tall design of this desk makes it ideal for small spaces, featuring a movable monitor stand that promotes proper posture and reduces the risk of back pain. Installation of this desk is straightforward, supported by a robust metal frame and cross-bracing that ensures stability and prevents wobbling during use. The Cyclysio Gaming Desk combines functionality and style, making it not only a great choice for gamers, but also a versatile piece for any home office setting.